I would like to invite Indranil Durga. Please come today.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Indranil Durga, teaching class 5. I'm staying at Pascal Brigade School and College. I'm extremely grateful to all those who have contributed to my diet, especially my guitar parents, Dr. Shanti Burua and Sumitra Burua. Our rabbis, whom I respect very much, Dr. Sumakriya Bikku, and so on. Those who increase my English knowledge, English and a program organizer Ratnam Krishnawar, Tarun Vishanka and villagers. Also, I would like to participate institution from which I have received a scholarship. Theatre Sakauto I am very happy to get chance to learn English at the Paripara By this program, I learned how to proceed in English with grammar and without grammar, how to speak correctly, how to correct sentences, etc. There once was a little boy who had a very bad temper. His father decided to cut him back of nails and that everything time. The boy lost his temper, he had to hammer a nail into the fence. On the first day, the boy hammered 37 nails into the fence. The boy gradually began to control his temper. Over the next few weeks and the number of nails he was hammering into the fence slowly decreased. He discovered it was easier to control his temper than to hammer those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father the news and the father suggested that the boy should now pull out a nail every day. He keep his temper under control. The days closed and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the pit. You have done well, my son. But look at the holes in the pins will never be the same. When you set things in anchor, they leave a pair just like this one. You can put a knife in a man and draw it. It won't matter how many times you say I'm sorry. The wood is still there. So moral of the day, control you, God. And don't say things to people in the head and the moment that you may later regret. Some things in life you are unable to take back. Now I would like to talk about 10 reasons to learn. English is a global language. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. 2. Studying English can help you get a job. English is the language of science, aviation, computer, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increases your chance of getting a good job in a multinational company. Written in the native language of the researcher in the Netherlands, from example, the review is a surprising 42. For this reason, having a knowledge of English is deeply important to those working in the 5. 5. English is the language of the media industry. Because of the prominence of Hollywood in global media and amount of film, TV shows and popular songs are written in English. You won't need to rely on translation and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. See, English is the language of the internet. English is a particularly important language online with more than half the within your home country or of fighting hard. So, learning English can help you meet new people. English is the official language of the 55 countries and lingua franca known language by people from all around the world. This means that whether you are working in Beijing or traveling in Brazil, studying English can help you have a conversation with people from all over the world. Many significant papers are written in English. In the last century, the number of significant papers written in English has started to outweigh the number of papers. Content on the internet written in English as well as some of the world's largest tech companies are based in English-speaking countries. Traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. Imagine you are a Spanish person on holiday in Thailand. While your hotel description might not be able to answer your question in English. English is one of the most important languages for business. Whether you are a business owner, a student or employee, English is incredibly important in the business world. English is considered to be one of the most important business languages due to being the de facto language of the United States and the official language of the UK, Canada, India, and South Africa. With English, you can study all over the world. Since English is spoken in so many different countries, there are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. If you speak good academic English, there are lot of opportunities for you to find an appropriate English and course. To start, you need find out about going to university in an English-speaking country. English gives you access to multiple cultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access music and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Not to mention the fact that numbers books from the what are translated into English. Your experience will make you grow as a person more than those habits and way of life in a culture that is different from yours. Thank you very much for your time. Namaskar to all of you.